2500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Whoa. I'm bye money. And here we are. Back at it again. Trading a Nascraq every single day. This piece of trash. Price action chart right now. What can I say? The markets have been unkind lately, and I have not been. I'm enjoying the trading, but I have not been enjoying what's happening with the charts. The market is just going haywire, and it's just making it very difficult to get trades. The volume is just so incredibly low, which is causing a lot of back and forth on our price action. And with my style, I like to have I like to take my risk off a little bit early, and unfortunately, it's just not panning out this week. It's just really not, like, this week has been very difficult for me, very very difficult, and I think it goes to show there's still so much to learn. And even if you trade at your best, you know, a week prior, this is a brand new week. Every week is a new week. Every day is a new day. So you gotta continue to adapt, continue to pay attention, and continue to learn. And I just I just had a lot of lessons this week. I just super frustrated, super frustrated. I didn't realize, like, when you think you've gotten frustrated, the market will take you to new levels of frustration that you never could conceive. And that's where I'm at. That's what I feel like. And I was gonna take today off, but I felt like, all right, let's try a stream anyways, and let's just take it slow. Let's just take it slow today. We're trading TPT accounts. I'm gonna take a break from my Apex challenge. I'm gonna start again next week, but right now I'm gonna take a break from the Apex challenge and gonna just kind of reset. We're trading TPT. We're just gonna trade one account on TPT right now, and it's a 150K account. So we have a lot of contracts. We can trade up to 15 contracts on this account, and this account has been kind to me. I pulled out over $30,000 on this account, and it's just amazing. The 150K accounts on TPT, absolutely incredible, absolutely incredible. TPT is just still, in my opinion, like, my favorite accounts to trade. If you want to make life-changing money, then definitely Apex is the way to go. 20 accounts, nothing can beat it. But if you want to just have fun trading, getting your payouts day after day after day with 1 day withdrawals, no consistency rules, right? Like the thing about Apex, like you have to be so confined when you trade. And for me, it's just like it just puts a huge damper on, just want to trade freely. But with TPT, you can really trade however you want, whenever you want, and pull out your money whenever you get bamboo. So to me, TPT accounts are definitely more fun to trade because I can just do whatever I want. I could go max contracts right now if I wanted to, or I can just trade one contract at a time. So TPT is just a new experience. I think I just need to reset a little bit. I'm gonna jump on TPT for a little bit, and let's see how we do today. Trade however you want, whenever you want. I already took a trade today. I mean, it's just a $200 trade. Am I expecting much today? Not really. I'm expecting more of the same this week. I'm expecting low volume day, and it's just going to be probably absolutely disgusting. So stay vigilant, and let's see if we can get some bamboo. If you haven't already, drop a GM in the chat. Just got the like button. Luis, morning. YL, can I trade your Apex accounts for you? Sure. Trade all my Apex accounts for me. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's so frustrating. Like yesterday, I cannot tell you. Basically, everything frustrating that could happen happened, and I just couldn't handle it. Too much mental capital wasted this week, and I got just absolutely obliterated. I need someone to come and like help me. And I need to trade with somebody, and their only job is to literally just slap me if I trade after a 3-loss differential. Like that's their only job, just slap me in the face. Like I need to hire someone to do that. I need to hire someone that can just watch me trade and after a 3-loss just slap me in the face and close my Ninja Trader. Like that's all I need. What's the pay? The pay will be a 50k account eval for TPT. That's your pay. You get a free 50k account. Jamil, I got y'all doing chat. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. Like I literally need someone just to pull the plug and just stop me from ruin. Whoo! I'm just telling you right now, pandas. It's just like it's just so frustrating. I literally like if you watched the stream yesterday, wow, bro, trying to scam me again. If you watched the stream yesterday, you just know there was a time I just blew a socket. Like I literally just blew a socket. And in the middle of the like at the end of the middle of the stream. It's just one trade. It just didn't go. Like I can go back to the exact moment because it was just so definitively frustrating. There was a trade yesterday that I took that I was so frustrated because there was no follow through. It was right here. It was this short, and I blew a socket because I saw the strong bear bar, no follow through whatsoever. And I just blew a socket. I just couldn't handle it. I literally need to hire someone that during the interview with Jade Cap, there was a couple of gems that I really heard, and one of the things is if you trade with like an institution, or if you trade like with a hedge fund or whatever, and there are actually people around you, there's someone there that controls your risk. There's someone there that tells you literally like, okay, you're done for today. Like there is someone there that actually and it's like, and you don't have a choice. You just have to comply. And otherwise, like you have to do all your risk management, all your cash management, all by yourself, and you have no one to basically stop you from ruin. But if you trade in like a professional prop firm, like there's someone there that say, hey, cut the cord, you're done for today, just take a break. Or someone can tell you, like, we're going to reduce your risk by like half today. And, it's just like, and you treat it like a job. You just go in and do your work and make as much bamboo as possible. But you don't have that. You don't have that when you trade by yourself. All you have is yourself. And so I'm like literally like I'm almost to the point where I'll pay someone just to watch me trade and slap me in the face if I have a 3 loss differential. Because there's people who get paid to do it, the professional world. It must be worth the money. It must be worth the money. We're trading our TPT accounts here. Don't forget TPT accounts, no consistency rules, 1 day withdrawal. So whatever money I make today, I literally can withdraw. Unfortunately, I cannot log into my Tradeovate, and I used to show like a capture of my Tradeovate, but you know what? Actually, maybe it's this. 1 sec here. Maybe I can. Let me see. Ah, okay. Okay. Let's do this. Nope. Nope, kicked me out. So you just can't be you can't be logged into NinjaTrader and also Tradeovate at the same time. Or can you? I don't know. Can you? No, can't. It's kicking me out. Feels like entry long is what I'm looking for here. All right, no trend lines to work with. Possible trading range. Feels like entry long is what I'm looking for. Right, we get 1, 2, 3 hits here. Looking for a reversal if we can get it. Coming to the bottom of the trading range. Still looking for a reversal. Right, it's a good spot for it too. We got a double top here essentially. Question is, the problem is the double top's not really on any major resistance, so decreasing the likelihood this could work out, but we'll go for it anyways. Taking a trade here, see if we get some bamboo. Popping back up. The risk is quite large now. I don't know if I want to take that much risk on this like sus trade, right? It's in the middle of a trading range now. Looks like it's about to pop up. Complete trading range. Like, should I just do the cheeky thing? The only reason why I don't want to do this is because we didn't actually quite reach the bottom of the trading range. So this is a cause of concern to try to short it here. Trap this trigger, but it snaps back up. Trap triggers. We do got a gap to fill on the 5-minute chart. Gap beneath here. It's just in trading range right now. Actually creating a triangle. More of the same of our just absolute piece of trash price action here. If you started trading this week, oh man, thoughts and prayers to you. What a difficult week, to be honest. What a week to, what a tough week it has been. What a tough week it has been. I'm really open to whatever happens. I don't know. It's kind of just going sideways. Waiting for some confirmation on the move. Hits the top of the trading range here. Breaking out of the trading range now. Strong bull bar, ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. There's still a gap beneath, so feels like I'm just short. Could be a decent move up. After a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Could actually be a decent move up here. Looks sus. I think I'm gonna pause. I don't know what to do here. This here says it wasn't that hard. I just blew a couple PAs. That's it. Albert Emma, good morning. Little Hammer, good morning. Welcome everybody. Thanks for joining. I was gonna take a break today, but you know what? I just said screw it. Let's do it anyways. Let's trade TPT accounts. It's been a while since we jumped on TPT. We're gonna take a break from the Apex challenge just for a little bit, and we'll get back to it. We'll get back to it soon. We'll absolutely get back to it, but boy, oh boy, how frustrating has it been, this price action. This PA is a little sus. Don't know what's happening. It looks like it's breaking out. About to hit the previous week's high again. We were here all day yesterday. Still a gap beneath to fill on the 5-minute chart, so just be aware of that. Good morning, everyone. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Also, scalp that like button if you haven't already. Pandas! TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Couldn't come any quicker, to be honest. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. I mean, this is floating up. What do I think of the new Pope? The new Panda Pope? Good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. I have no idea. Who is the new Pope? Who is the new Pope? Let's get it. Robert Francis Prevost, the new Pope. All right. Very cool. Who is this guy? Leo the 14th? That's a lot of Leos. Who is Leo the 14th? What do we know about Leo the 14th, the new American Pope? He's an American Pope? I thought they had to be like Italian or something. The Catholic Church has a new Pope. American Cardinal Robert Prevost has been elected the 267th Pontiff. He has chosen the name Leo the 14th. What a cool name. I want a number in my name. Bye bye money the 7th. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? He's seen as a front runner. What does that mean? What are you front running? He's very down to earth, very kind person, very reserved. All right, cool. Hope you guys learned a lot. Bye bye money, the third differential. Trump actually said he wanted to be the Pope. He would be a great Pope. The Catholic Church would be in absolute disarray. That'd be absolutely wild if he became Pope. Balancing out the previous week's high. I'm looking for a reversal here. Absolutely looking for a major reversal if we can get one. Big push down. Feel second entry long is what I'm looking for if we can get it. Second entry short on the 5-minute chart would be juicy as well. I guess the market decided it's going to reverse here after bouncing out the previous week's high. A lot of sus price action leading up to it. Very grindy. All right, this is not what you want to see for a breakout, like of the previous week's high at least. Decent push down. Just waiting for some sort of setup here. Bouncing back up. Lower high. Maybe your only opportunity to get in short here. Who knows? Maybe the market already knows like we're going down, so they're just going to jump in as soon as they can, right? They just came with limit orders here. Fail second entry long again is my main setup right now. Fail second entry long. Are we going to get it? I don't want an outside bar reversal. That looks nice to me. Good enough for me here. It's a bad signal bar, but when it comes to traps, signal bars aren't as important in this trade. Let's see if we can get it. Get back down to, I don't know. Wow. Wow. So sick. So sick. Again, more or less of the same piece of trash price action here. I mean, I'll try it again. I'll try it again here. One more time. Piece of trash price action. Just like straight up goes up, takes my my trade out. Comes right back down. It's an absolute piece of trash price action here. Can this price action get any more piece of trash, in my opinion? I don't think so. Tempting to go short again here. Goodness gracious, what was that? It snapped back up, took my trade out, took my stop out, and then just came right back down. What kind of piece of trash price action are we dealing with here right now? I'm going to hold. Hold. Hold it. Hold it right there. Lots of overlapping bars, lots of tails here. Showing lots of limit orders, just waiting. This snaps back up, takes me out again. It is what it is. Boy, oh boy. Let's see what happens. OI pattern. Jeez, how annoying is that? It's just it's so annoying. That would do something like that. It's just so frustrating. Decent push down. Really strong push down here. Take my risk off here. I mean, for me, it's like, I might as well just see how much money I can make because, again, this is TPT accounts, and there's no consistency rule, so I can make as much money as I want today. Perhaps. Let's see. How low can you go? How low can you go? Feeling very bearish here. How low can you go? How low can you go? I mean, I guess my original risk is way up here, but how much am I willing to risk here? That lower high, ooh, snaps back up. That's not good. Let's see how much money we can make. Take my risk off here. Break even. We're 4 contracts deep right now. I would love it if it didn't take me up break even, but you know what? With this today's piece of trash price action, of course it'll take me out break even. I was up like solid like $1,000 on that trade. I don't know. When I scale in, I don't know how to manage the trade because it just gets too much risk, right? It's just way too much risk when I scale in. So the best thing I can do is scale in at break even. I made good bamboo there, but that scaling basically messed it up. Fail second entry long, possibly on the 2500 tick chart. I've been waiting for that. It's absolutely ridiculous price action. It's just more of the same. Piece of trash, to be honest. Regardless, I think I would have came out break even anyway, so I don't feel too bad about it. It comes all the way back here anyway, so it's like I don't think I would have. I would probably have at least come out break even here, right, with this push up. The price action is absolutely just trash. I guess I gotta try. I gotta try. I gotta try here. In my opinion, I gotta try. Gotta try here. I mean, should I just try with 15? Should I go max contracts, pandas? What do I have to lose? What do I really have to lose here? Max contract trade right now. You know, I'll try like this. Whoa. I'll try like this first. And if it like takes me out, then I'll go max contracts afterwards. Interesting.
$2,500 tick trap.
Shall we dance? Dance we shall. I'm holding to fill the gap here. You know what I mean, Pandas? I'm absolutely holding it to fill the gap here. But if we lose this, I'm going in again with max contracts if it makes us another setup. If it makes a second entry short on the 5-minute chart. I almost want it to fail so I can go in max contracts and try. Whoa, looking weird. Price action is looking sus. Very sus here. We're holding it. And I will not be shaken. We're holding it and I will not be shaken. Pandas! We're holding this and I will not be shaken. We're holding this and I will not be shaken. Gotta let it cook a little bit. Gotta let it cook a little bit. Gotta let it cook. Do not fret. Gotta let it cook, Pandas. I will not be shaken. I will not be moved. Hoo-wee. I mean, if you want to give me a second inch short, I mean, I'll gladly take it. I'll gladly take the second inch short here. If you want to give me a second inch short, I gladly take it. All right, second entry short. If you want to give it to me, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it, Pandas. I'll take it. If you want me to enter with a second entry short, I'll take it. If that's what it takes. Oh, it's really pushing up. I really thought we were going to really go down, but this is proving to be a little stronger than I thought. Going back up. I don't think I could take the second just short above the 20 EMA. I'm definitely not going to add to my position here. This is most likely going to take me out now. Goodness gracious. Just goodness gracious. Hopefully, my vigilance will pay off here. Hopefully, my vigilance will pay off here. We shall see, though. We shall see. I'm looking for a really good risk reward here. Really good risk reward here. Looks like I'm going to get a hit, though. It looks like I might get hit here, unfortunately. I would love not to get hit, but, you know, that's just how it goes sometimes. All right, the second entry short does trigger. Hopefully, this is the last test for me, and it doesn't reverse back up. I hope it doesn't trap me here. It is bouncing off the previous week's close, so it is a key area, and we could just be bouncing back and forth here. But I'm going to hold this one, Pandas. It looks like it's going to trap me out and maybe bust me out here. And it is what it is. I think the trade was worth. Right, we got a nice failed second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. And we got a clear target beneath. Coming off a double top off the previous week's high. I just think there's so much going for you here that it's worth trying. And we're going to hold. Hold! Hold! Trap does trigger. This is unfortunate for me because that has potential to push really hard up now. Very good potential to push really hard up. Oh, but this fails, Pandas. That could be a really good sign for me. Darn it. I'm going to get hit. I really feel like I'm going to get hit here. Oh, how unfortunate. It just needed to go back up. Man, oh man. I just thought I had something. I just thought I had something really beautiful going on for me. Did not want to get shaken. I did not want to get shaken out of that trade. So I really thought we could have something really nice. Right, 5 minute, fill the gap here. And this might just create a second entry short on the 5 minute chart now. Darn it. I thought we had something really nice going for us. Failed second entry long. Double top coming off a resistance. I just thought we had a lot going for us here. Ends up hitting the top previous week's high and then bouncing off the previous week's close. Just creating this range here between these two levels. It's just unfortunate. I really thought that was it. I really thought that was it. These are TPT accounts. It's 150K accounts on TPT. Darn it. Just had a really strong push back up. Just unfortunate. Like, basically it's a failed trap, right? This trap really should have had its move down here. I will try again on a second entry short on the 5-minute chart, but this time we're gonna crank it to the max. We're absolutely cranking it to the max. 15 contracts. Like I said. If we push down again, I'm gonna crank it to the max. I'm just a panda of my word. What can I say? I'm just a panda of my word here. Absolutely sick price action though. Actually, it just made a triangle here too. Maybe I should have drawn this trend line. Maybe I would have seen this before, and maybe taking some profits there, at least, and then come out break even. I don't know. Complete trading range right now. Second entry short on the 5-minute chart setting up. But it looks like it's lifting off here. We'll see though. I don't know. Okay. Second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Pandas, is it possible? Are we going to get this set up here? I don't think it's going to happen. Who knows, though? Who knows? It might break up to the outside. I mean, we don't have to fill this gap. Don't get me wrong. I mean, we can do whatever we want. The market can do whatever it wants. It doesn't have to fill any type of gap. I just saw this double top here. I just got excited. Got a little excited. I really thought we had something special here. Like, at least to fill the gap. Could have been a really strong push down. I had some decent bamboo in that trade as well. How many points did I have? I had 27 points. Not bad. But that came after this super frustrating loss. Like the first, like it was a fail second entry long, and within that one bar, snap back up and then snap back down. This is so frustrating. So incredibly frustrating here. All right, our next trade will be on the 5-minute chart. And we're cranking this out of its mind right now. We're going to crank it out of its mind. Second entry short here. I mean, if it's a strong bull bar, I'll probably skip it. If it's like a really strong bull bar. But if it's a decent signal bar, the only problem now at this point is you might want to make a new high. I think it's too tempting for me. I'm going to go for the short anyways. Way too tempting for me. 34 seconds left. I don't want to prematurely go into this trade. I do not want to prematurely go into this. Okay, I think that's good. Got 20 seconds left. Signal bar is not looking too nice for us, to be honest. 15 seconds. Not the best looking signal bar, right, pandas? It's actually a really bad looking signal bar, but it is a second inch short. I don't think I could take this short here. It's such a bad signal bar. Well, this trend line doesn't even work either. It is above this trend line. All right, pandas, I'm trying. Thoughts and prayers. We're going for it. Thoughts and prayers. We are absolutely going for it here. We're going to either bust these accounts or make some serious bamboo. Okay, I can come out break even here. Should I just let it cook? Do I have to let this cook? We're up 3K. Do I have to let it cook? I don't think I can let this cook. I think I gotta just let it do its thing. Take me out break even if it does. Yeah, it's too much risk. Snapping back up. We had a nice move down initially, but the fact that it kind of went back up is just too scary for me. Too much risk for me. I mean, if you must. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh no, 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 no. If you're gonna trap, I don't know if I can take the outside bar reversal though. That's why it came out break even, because when it comes back up, it's just too sus. Way too sus. Now we have a fail second inch short here, setting up. Is a fail second inch short worth it when you have a gap beneath like this? I don't know, pandas. Just snaps back up. You know, we had some nice bamboo to the downside, but it just wasn't enough. Fail second inch short triggers here. It's just ridiculous. Pandas! We're not getting any moves. We're not getting the moves we want. Second inch short. We had a nice move. I was going to come out break. This is why I come out break even. Because of situations like this. It's actually paying off today to come out break even now. Fail second inch short. Triggers with the outside bar reversal. I'm not interested in that. Seems nonsensical to me. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Maybe a fail second inch short here on 2500 tick chart could be somewhat tempting, thinking you're going to break out and maybe hit the previous day's high. You still have a gap beneath, so it's just super frustrating because you're like, well, we made so many attempts to try to fill this gap. We're never going to get it, I guess. Substance abuse. I know. I was going to. I really want to take a break because the price action has been absolute doo-doo caca. But we're continuing to trade today, and it is continuing to be doo-doo caca. So it's just like, what can you do? Continues to be this doo-doo caca market right now. What is going on? Look at this price action. Creates an OI pattern here. Absolute trash. 1, 2, 3 hits on the previous week's high. If it fails, I can just short. I'll go long, but that's about it. I think that's the only thing that'll convince me to go long here. In this situation, 500 tick chart, absolute just mess. It's a mess right now. Notice that we come back into our trading range, but don't hit the bottom of it, and we come back to the top. This could show maybe that we might be breaking out of the trading range here. I'm gonna set my pause. Absolutely confusing. Like I said, the only trade I'm willing to take right now is this fail second entry short here. It's more of the same. Absolute trash price action. So let's just chill a little bit, pandas. I mean, we're in no rush here. Let's just hang out for a little bit, yeah. I'm gonna do some stupid Apex stuff right now. Goodness gracious. It's just ridiculous. This price action is just, it's actually so stupid. Like, it's just... What can you do other than just suffer? This entire week has been suffering. It's like eventually we're going down. Eventually we're going to hit that target, which is filling the gap. But I had to do it in the most, like, ridiculous way. Unfortunately. I mean, it's a strong push down. Right, the 5 minute makes an outside bar reversal. I mean, just nothing you can do about it. So silly. Like, that's why I didn't take the trap either when it went to the other side. Maybe fail second entry long. I'll take here. Fail second entry long. Shall we try? I mean, we still have this. Oh my goodness. Nope. I got to do this. This is the only trade I'll take. I just got to go short here. Triple top at the previous week's high. This is too hard for me to give up. And if this doesn't work, so be it. If this doesn't work, so be it. And then bye-bye accounts. What can you say? Oof. Such a bad signal bar. That's your signal bar. And that's your signal bar. I just don't know. Snapping back up is so ridiculous right now. Absolutely sick. Sick price action here. Still kind of want to go short. I still want to go short. Right, if it's going to snap back up, it has to be stronger than that, in my opinion. Once it really snap back up, it has to be stronger than that. Right, once a snap back up, it has to be stronger than that. It doesn't really snap the way you want to snap. Just sitting on my paws. I'm just confused. Anyone else confused? Am I the only one confused here? Please don't tell me I'm the only one confused here. All right. Thoughts and prayers right now is what I need. Could be the dumbest trade of my life or the greatest trade of my life. Which one will it be? It's looking like it's the dumbest trade of my life. Dumbest trade of my life. Why? Why did I go into the limit order market like that? Accounts are busted. Bye-bye. Why? I thought it would be the... I mean, it might go down now. I might have just been one candle too early. One candle too early. This is a ridiculous price. I can't trade this. This is why I want to take a break today. This is exactly the reason why I want to take a break today. Price action is absolute trash. Piece of trash price action. Now it goes down. It wanted to snap one more time back up, and then it goes down. Like, this is gonna be the strong push down now. I was just one candle too early. Right, one candle too early here. One candle too early. Absolute, just ridiculous. Oh, at the end I would have lost it. I mean, it just became absolute just mush here. Look at this. Impossible to trade. Pandas, I don't know. I just chilling here. I got nothing else to do. I got actually nothing else to do right now. Just chilling here, nothing to do.
2,500.
Busting my 150k accounts on TPT because of absolute trash price action. Like, what are you supposed to do here? Like, what is the point? What is the point of this? I just don't understand. What is the absolute point of this absolute trash price action here? Pushes down now. I mean, what can you do? Makes an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Push down to the downside of the OI pattern. Makes it, maybe make a 1-to-1 here. Maybe making a 1-to-1 here. I don't know. It's just impossible to trade. Like, I can't trade this. Feels like I just short. It's impossible to trade. Now it's going down. Now it's finally making the move after 5 bajillion candles, making a 1-to-1 here. It's just pandas. This price action these days, I can't trade it. I just can't trade it. I simply cannot trade it. It's plain and simple. I cannot trade this price action right now. It's just too much doo-doo caca, and I just don't want to deal with it. I just don't want to deal with it. There's nothing to do. There's nothing you can trade here. Oh my goodness, pandas. I can't. It's just zero volatility in the market, zero volume, and it feels like summer. It just feels like summer trading. You know what it is, pandas? It just feels like we're entering summer trading here. And it's just it's untradeable to me. Yeah, I'm about to end it. Pandas, I'm done. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. I'll see you guys on Monday. This is just unbearable price action. I just cannot trade this. No, I just don't see it. See, now we're pushing down. After I get busted right here, now it decides to just free fall. Pandas. We're gonna fill the gap now. Yeah, Panda. It's like I'm just one too early. One too early right here, and it just takes me out. One candle too early right there before it makes a huge move. And I just didn't have the threshold, right? I trade max contracts right there. And I didn't have the threshold to hold this, right? It was just too many contracts. I had 15 contracts, and it just continued to be absolute trash, and then takes me out, and then it goes on its way. So it's just nothing I can do about that. I just gotta see it for what it is, and just know that I missed a huge move, right? I missed a huge move. I was one candle too early on that move. If I had just waited one more candle, I would be up, what, $15,000 right now, because this is $1,000. I have 15 contracts. I'll be up $15,000 right now. It's just like that's how close. That's just how close this razor margins when it comes to trading. Just like I was one candle too early on this trade, and it's $15,000. Either I make $15K or I lose my account. It's one or the other. And I felt like it was worth it, right? When you're considering the cost analysis, right? It's just worth it for me right there. And it's just super unfortunate. This price is just absolute, just complete trash for the last entire week. This entire week has been trash. And I just been, it's just a complete mental capital destroyed. Mental capital destroyed. Absolute, just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I was one candle too early here, and I just missed the move. I missed the move. The final setup was actually the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart, which actually it was what the market was waiting for. The OI pattern here. Actually, the second to short did not even move it. It's the OI pattern after, right? It's the IOI pattern that really pushes down. And it's just hard to predict. Okay, that was going to be the setup to go short in. It is what it is. It is what it is. Next week's a new week, Pandas. We're gonna start again next week, and we're gonna get it. But I'll see you guys then. Pandas. With that being said, as always, happy trading up us. Have a great weekend. Bye.